Hi everybody, Marco Carvalho here. Today we're going to actually go into and review one of the major credit repair companies in the industry known as creditrepair.com. And in this review I'm going to kind of break down how creditrepair.com works. Is it a credit repair service company that you should consider if you're looking to repair your credit? Now obviously there's a lot of different information circulating on whether or not you should pay for a credit repair service, because as you know, you as a consumer, we all have the right to repair our own credit. We can dispute items on our own. So why is it that people or yourself may be considering enrolling in a credit repair service? Well, it breaks down to three main reasons. Number one is convenience. Obviously, it's convenient to have an expert or a professional company deal with the entire dispute process, because let's face it, dealing with the credit reporting agencies can be very frustrating. It is a time-intensive process. It not only takes time, it takes your energy, and it takes money because you're spending your time. As you know, time is money. So if you're looking to save time and you're looking for that convenience and you just want someone to do it for you, don't want to deal with it, then that's one of the main reasons why you would pay for someone to do it. Just like you pay a CPA or an accountant to do your taxes because they understand the tax code and they do all the paperwork and filings for you. The same thing as far as goes to credit repair. Now, the other second major reason, of course, is the expertise. Obviously, it's the Credit Repair Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA, all these different FACT Act, etc. There's many different laws regulating credit repair companies as well as credit reporting agencies, etc. So these are laws that take a lot of work to understand and go through each of the laws protecting you as consumers with regards to inaccuracies, outdated information, unverifiable information, etc. So rather than go through learning all this stuff, you'd like to hire an expert who understands the laws, how to maximize the laws to your advantage. That's another main reason why people look for credit repair companies. The third reason, of course, is the education and support. If you're looking to have a mentor, you're looking for the education, what do you need to do once you actually repair your credit? How do you rebuild it? How do you advance and optimize your personal credit? And get new credit, then you also are looking for that in a credit repair company. So those are the three main reasons why you would want to pay for a credit repair service. Now with that said, creditrepair.com is one of the largest and most reputable credit repair companies out there. As you know, credit repair companies are governed by CROA, which is the Credit Repair Organizations Act. Many credit repair companies are not in compliance or don't legally operate as a credit repair company. So now with regards to creditrepair.com and other major credit repair companies, they do legally operate according to CROA. Now, I want you also to realize that creditrepair.com, what makes it different from other credit repair companies? Well, one of the things in doing our review, there was a couple of really nice benefits that I think it's important to point out in this video. Number one, when you enroll in their service, and you can do it entirely online or you can speak to an advisor, is the fact that it's $99.95 to enroll. There's not an initial setup fee like some companies charge, and there's no hidden fees. There's no deletion fees, which can get pretty costly with some companies that charge you a certain amount, usually $25 to $50 per deletion. That doesn't happen with creditrepair.com. It's just one flat fee. They do charge a one-time $14.95 to obtain all three of your credit reports for you. But what I think is really neat is they give you a personal online dashboard. So when you sign up, you have access to your credit reports, and they break down your reports from each of the major bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and they itemize it. They make it easy for you to see where all the derogatories are, and you basically check off the ones you want them to work on on your behalf. If there's a particular item you don't want them to dispute or challenge, then you just don't check it. And once you do that, they start the process. What I also like is it's a customized process. It's not a cookie cutter approach. That's what makes their credit repair service, I believe, really unique. Whereas many credit repair companies use the same format, the same dispute documents, or the same process, creditrepair.com actually sets up a game plan for each individual client. So if you're looking for more of that hands-on approach, that's another benefit. The other thing that's really cool is you are kept up to date on everything going on your credit repair. Rather than not knowing, it's important that you know when is an item deleted? Has there been any updates? So not only do you get your online dashboard, you can see those updates in real time because it's linked up through TransUnion's credit monitoring, so you have 24/7 access to your credit reports via your online dashboard. Of course, they also have the educational component, which is really neat. They have an entire array of score analysis. They also allow you to get updates to your credit score every 90 days. But let me just kind of break down real quick to you the mindset you need to go into when you pay for a credit repair service. So If you have, let's say, 30 derogatory or 20 derogatory items, let's just say, don't go into a credit repair service with the mindset that all 20 of these items are going to get deleted. Okay, because obviously no credit repair company in this entire country can guarantee 100% deletions. Number one, it's against the law. You can't do that. As far as the Credit Repair Organizations Act goes, you can't guarantee deletions. So go in the mindset that let's just say you had 20 derogatories, and let's say 10 of those derogatories get removed off your credit, and let's say it takes 4 months. Those 10 derogatories, let's say, boosted your score up, let's say 80 points. So let's say before credit repair, you were at, let's say, 640. Okay? Well, now let's say you're over 700 credit score after the credit repair service in 4 months. Let's just say that's the results. Don't focus on you still have some derogatories left on your credit. Look at the score, number one. Number two, your credit report is 50% better than it was before. But the also things that's going to impact your credit score, and I want you to pay attention to this, is you also have to have good credit that you're reestablishing. If all you have is derogatories and no active credit, no good credit, then your scores may improve, but not as drastically. So it's important to also work on rebuilding your credit, getting some secured personal credit cards. But if you already have existing good credit, like let's say you have a mortgage, let's say you have an auto loan and maybe one credit card, and let's say you have like 6 derogatory items though that are bringing down your score. Well, you're going to have a big impact on your score if, let's say, 4 of those 6 items are deleted. But remember, credit repair is a process. It takes time. It's not going to happen in 1 month. It may take 3 to 6 months for you to get 75 to 80% of your items deleted. So first, I want you to go into the mindset of it takes time. It's a process. But let's just say you were in credit repair for 5 months and it cost you a total of $500. So that's $99.95 a month. You spent $500, and let's say you saw a 70% improvement on your credit, and your scores jumped up, let's say, 80, 90 points. That puts you, let's say, in a whole new credit category. So instead of a B borrower, now you're an A borrower. Do you know how much money that saves you in interest, or even qualifying for credit, or even it lowers your insurance premiums? The long-term benefits of that way outweigh the cost that you paid. So you always have to look at your return on your investment, okay? Because you're investing in your credit. And I also don't want to even go into the benefits of how this impacts you personally, but also if you own a business or if you're starting a business. The ability to get business credit or unsecured lines of credit for your business, your personal credit will also have an impact there as well. So creditrepair.com, in my opinion, has done an amazing job providing a really seamless process, not a cookie cutter approach. So if you're looking for that, consider creditrepair.com. With that, make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.